Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 1st to the 13th. June 1st to the 5th. We have a trough here from Alaska into the west. We also have a little bit of a trough here. And we have a ridge easterly Aleutians, but the trend is for above normal heights across much of the nation. And then we go forward in time. We look at the 5th, we see a little bit of a trough here, fairly weak, and we look at the rest of the models, you can see an indication also of a ridge building across the southern U.S. And up below is forecast to drop in the mid-Atlantic states and set the stage for wet weather for the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. A trough over the northwest and embedded disturbances will cause rainfall over the northern parts of the west later in the week with locally heavy rain and possible storms in the plains well into next week. And we're going to take a look here at the weather. I'll focus on the southeast because I really gotten hit in the last week or so. You can see this is the rainfall amounts. You see this heavy rainfall here. And here is the GFS. So, now we're going to look at the pair for June 4th to the 8th. Here we are at the 4th. Still see a little indication of a trough here. So we have a ridge here across the southern U.S. We also have a trough here. Still have above normal heights across this region. And the models are in good agreement as we go to the 8th and we look at the rest of the models. You can see that especially here, this is the GEFS. A little bit of a trough here, a little bit of a trough here. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and forecast anomalies would be about 4 to 8 degrees above normal. The highest anomalies would be in the Four Corners. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and northern New England or New England. And the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. And I have above normal precipitation forecast here and here. Probability of occurrence is 50 to 55%. June 9th to the 13th. The trough in these forecasts will be more pronounced during this period. You can see here we have a ridge in the west, subtropical ridge starting to build here across the southern U.S. And we still have a trough here and we have a trough here. So you're looking at the GEFS. And then we'll look at the rest of the models. This is the GFS, which is more pronounced with the trough, with both troughs. And then we look at the rest of the forecast models. You can still see it. This is again, the GEFS. So pretty much in good agreement. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for the west from the plains to the Pacific coast with anomalies of 4 degrees above normal. And we have below normal temperatures here, and forecast anomalies would be about 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, forecasting near to below normal temperature precipitation for the west. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast from the plains to the Pacific coast. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 1st to 13th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.